Oh yeah, you saw that good food. Now it's time to make a trip to my favorite place, Hobby Town. What's up, Baton Rouge? What up, YouTube? How y'all doing? It's Rc.ChefChevy in the house. We just came back to my favorite little place I love going, Hobby Town, baby. We got some more body clips. We picked up a pack of Traxxas tools that I needed. I bought some cheap ones on Amazon, and they kind of all broken up. So we bought some new ones. We're gonna try out the Traxxas brand, see how that goes. We'll give y'all a review on those here in the next few months, see how they work. We broke the rustler the other day. I picked up some rear black bearings, heavy duty, and we're gonna change both of those out while we have that apart. There's the part number right there, and I'll show you. So I broke this little piece right off of here that connects to the arm right here, and we're just gonna hook that up, and we're gonna go ahead and change the other side. So next time we hit that mailbox, hopefully it won't break. That mailbox just jumped out of nowhere. And let's see, got more body clips if I didn't say that. And for our new XRT, we had to get new tires. We had a blowout, so I had to go buy a new set of tires. And I also took the sledge up there, guys. Yeah, I'm ashamed to admit it, but I needed help on it. I've been having troubles. I did everything that I could, and I keep busting the center diff and keep stripping it in the spur gear and the pinion. So I finally just broke down. I took it to the Hobby Town. They work on it. They done some things before in the past when I just got in the hobby, so they done great things for me. So hopefully we'll get that back running here soon. I'm gonna have to go order on Arma. I'm gonna have to go buy a new little wishbone. You can tell right here how it's pointing out right here, and on this side it broke off. So it's all bald right there. So I gotta order another one of those. That's gonna be $12. Whew. Yeah, so today we hit the pocket pretty good, y'all. But we needed it. And also, last week I told y'all I bought some tires. We had a blowout on the X-Max. Look at these bad boys. I got these new tires. They're not new, they're used, but they're pretty much brand new. The guy only ran them like once or twice till he changed them. But look, I got the little blue to go around it. Well, that look fancy, huh? Yep. And here's my old one right here. One of them. This ain't the one that's stripped, but I've been going down a rabbit hole on YouTube, and that you can put like some kind of epoxy. Yeah, you can put some kind of epoxy in there and put a hex nut in there and rebuild it. So I think I'm gonna try that, y'all. I want to try to save all the money that I can, you know, because like I said, I got tires building up. This is the XRT tire that blew up. I've been trying to go down a rabbit hole. They say you can boil them, stick them in the oven. But yeah, if y'all know how to fix these tires, like get the rubber off, what's the best way? Only thing I've been really hearing about is good in the oven, but I heard it stinks up the house, so I ain't trying to do that. So that's another rabbit hole I want to go down, is I got a few tires that the plastics are good, but I need to fix the tires. So if y'all know any good YouTube videos, or if y'all know how to do it, let me know. Put it down on the bottom, please. But yeah, I haven't drove the Max yet. I haven't tested these tires out, but man, I love the color. Blue on blue, baby. Let's do it. All right. Go ahead and get one of these tires out real quick. I don't know if I should just go ahead and put both of them on and take the other used one off. Let's see. I think we're gonna do that. Or I might just keep one new. Let me know what I should do. Should I just only put one new on? Should I put two new ones on? For right now, we're just gonna put one on. Make a comment down below. Let me know what y'all think. Rotation, make sure it rotates in the right way. Oops. Change this back one too. We're gonna change both of them while we at it. We're gonna put that one to the side. Alright. Oh, Rex holding it down. Alright. Get that tighten on there. Just like that, baby. Oh yeah, nice and shiny. Whew, haven't ran her in 3 days, y'all. All right, we got it up and running. That was the easy fix. Fix number one. All right, let's go ahead and open up our new tools for this one. Oh yeah, nice. All right, put our tires in the tire box. All right, now we got the rustler. Go ahead and take this battery out. Just gotta find a little hole. So we got it on the top one. Oh yeah, Rex over there looking for food. I know he getting hungry, but it ain't time to eat. Had a pretty, not too busy week, but we had some, a party that we cooked for over 60 people. Did a bourbon peach bacon glaze on a pork loin. And we also did a spinach artichoke stuffed chicken breast. Everything came out delicious. I made mini muffaladas. Wow, chef's kiss. I even sent some down to my cousin in Austin. Had family going to see them. Shout out to Austin. Oh yeah, YouTube, thank y'all so much. We hit our goal. We done hit 60 plus subscribers. Thank y'all so much. Let's keep doing it. Push some thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Help a brother out. Thank y'all so much for all the support. And next video, we're going to get back to bashing so we can go back to Hobbytown and spend more cash. Thank y'all so much.